Hello, my name is Debbie Lash and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already and remember to click the bell and it will alert you every time I post a new class. Today we're going to look at some pranayama, so some breathing techniques, and this first technique is called Nadi Shodhana, Alternate Nostril Breathing. And what it does is that it helps balance the left and right side of the brain, balancing the masculine and the feminine energy. So the left side of your body and your left nostril relates to your feminine energy, and it relates to the moon, and the element is water, so it's cooling and calming. And the right side of your body is your masculine energy, and it relates to the sun. So it's the heat and it's the fire. So it's just really trying to bring some balance between your masculine and feminine energy. Alternate nostril breathing is a wonderful way for calming your parasympathetic nervous system. So if you are highly stressed or have a lot of tension in your life or your lifestyle, this is a wonderful way to calm your vagus nerve and take you out of fight or flight. It also works harmoniously for people with high blood pressure, and I believe that 15 minutes of breath work a day can lower your blood pressure up to as much as 40%. So totally worth your time and effort if that speaks to you. And also it's great for balancing your hormones. So if you've got kind of hormonal imbalances, or you're suffering with perimenopause or menopausal symptoms, this is going to just speak right to your heart. So with all this in mind, let's get started. Find a comfortable seat, and I'm sitting cross-seated, but you could sit in a chair, you could be on your sofa. Sitting up is more preferable for this one than lying down, but if you wanted to lie down, you absolutely could. And if you need to lean into a wall or sit on your knees, just choose a comfortable seat for what works for your body. Remember, there's no rule book. Okay, so I invite you to gently close your eyes down and just take this moment to begin the investigation of how you feel from the inside out. We live in a very external world, and we often don't take the time to look within, to kind of connect with our internal landscape. So just use this opportunity. Maybe there's a lot of emotions flying around, and we all turn to these self-care practices often when something is wrong, or maybe you're looking just to bring in some new modalities to help you live a better and fuller life, really helping you to connect to yourself, to feel more grounded. So it's really just about bringing awareness into your body. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill yourself up all the way to the top. Hold the breath in. Just notice how you feel with your body full of life, prana, the breath. And then open the mouth side out. And again, deepest breath in. Open mouth side out. Maybe you're rolling your shoulders down and away from the ears. And just bring the hands together at prayer. And I want to bring a little heat into this. So you start rubbing your palms together. Just bringing some heat and some energy into the palms, some friction. And then when you're ready, just hover the palms over your eyes and feel the heat and energy that you have just cultivated. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And open the mouth side out. Close the hands together at prayer, tapping the thumbs to the third eye. And this is, the third eye is where your wisdom and your intuition lives. So breathe into the third eye. And this time keep the lips closed. Exhale through the nose, back of throat. Connecting to Ujjayi breath, inhale. Lips closed, exhale. Bring your left hand down on your thigh and your right hand alongside the face. You might want to blink your eyes open if they're closed. Peace fingers. Now this can feel a little funky if this is your first time. Peace fingers, either, some people like to bring them to the third eye, thumb on the right, ring finger left. Others, like myself, I prefer to bend the peace fingers down to my palm and then thumb on the right, ring finger left. Okay, so alternate nostril breathing. Take a moment to pause. Take a deep breath in through both nostrils. Go all the way to the top. Close off the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Releasing the breath, letting go all the way to the bottom. And then receive the inhale through the left nostril. Close off the left nostril, exhale through the right. Pause and hold the breath out. Inhale right. Close off the right nostril, exhale through the left. You may experience one nostril being stickier than the other. This is normal. Inhale left. Close off the left nostril, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Press all the breath out to the bottom. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Keep breathing all the way to the bottom, then receive the inhale through the left. Now you might be breathing at a different pace to me. Close off the left, exhale right, and that's absolutely fine. Our lungs are different sizes. We all breathe at different capacities. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. So you can go faster or slower and honor that. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Pause and switch, exhale left. Inhale left. Pause and shift, exhale right. Inhaling right. Pause and shift, exhale left. If your eyes are still open, I invite you to close them down. Inhale left. Pause and shift, exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close off the right, exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close off the left, exhale, right. Inhale, right. Pause and switch, exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close off the left, exhale, right. Inhale, right. Pause and shift, exhale, left. Inhale, left. Pause and shift, exhale, right. Inhale, right. Pause and shift, exhale, left. Let's take one more round together. Inhale, left. Pause and shift, exhale, right. Inhale, right. Pause and shift, exhale, left. Just release your right hand down. Keep the eyes closed. And just take a moment to pause. The breath work is also working as another form of meditation, as you think of nothing else but focusing on the breath. Just creating these beautiful windows of stillness. I even encourage you just to stay here seated, and just sitting in a meditation. You just observe your thoughts that come and go, or you can just stay connected to the breath, just following the inhale to the top, following the exhale to the bottom. You can stay like this. Otherwise, bring your hands together at prayer, bowing chin to chest in gratitude. And thank you for sharing your practice with me. It really is an honor and a privilege. Namaste. So as your breath work, your pranayama techniques evolve, just stay with it a little longer. So that was 5 minutes, then maybe build up another minute or 2 minutes at a time. But ideally coming to maybe 15 minutes, especially if you have high blood pressure, really helps you to ground and land in your body. Just coming from this place of feeling connected to yourself. See you again. Stay tuned for more pranayama techniques coming your way.